Hello lovely stitchers, welcome to Hazel Embroidery. Today I'll show you how to create the beautiful chain stitch. Bring your needle up through the fabric at your starting point. Insert the needle back into the same hole and bring it up a short distance ahead, keeping the thread underneath the needle. Gently pull the thread through to form your first chain. Repeat the same steps, inserting the needle into the end of the previous chain to create a row of connected loops. When you reach the end, secure the final chain with a tiny straight stitch. And that's it. You've learned the chain stitch. Thank you for stitching with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe to Hazel Embroidery, and I'll see you in the next stitch. Happy stitching!